such as graduation ceremony,
of whom 9 are boys and 15 are girls. I have in accordance with the requirements set by the K-12 basic education curriculum of for elementary. Set in me by the school's division superintendent, Michael L. Acoyong Association of your school head, Sir Rusty Mapa, that these 24 kindergarten pupils have satisfactorily completed the academic requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum for kindergarten as prescribed by the Department of Education. I do hereby accept and confirm you completers of kindergarten of Cabanatuan Elementary School effective today, May 30, 2024 with all the rights and the privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations.
My obligation to serve my family, my fellow men, and my country. I will hold it with intense honor to myself and generous loyalty to my alma mater.